Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial from boomer.futureproof.com. Today we're going to be covering HTML headings, and headings are important in HTML documents because they give the page structure and guide the reader as to what the section or the paragraph is going to be talking about. So headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. The H1 defines the most important heading, and the H6 defines the least important heading, as you can see right over here. Note, browsers automatically add some empty space, like a margin, before and after each heading, so you don't have to worry about spacing or entering. Headings, do's, and don'ts. So, use HTML headings for headings only. Because search engines use your headings to index the structure and the content of your web pages, and H1 headings should be used as main headings, followed by H2 headings, then less important H3 headings, and so on. So those were the do's, and these are the don'ts. Don't use headings to make text big or bold, because users may skim your pages by its headings. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. So keep that in mind. HTML lines. The HR tag creates a horizontal line in an HTML page, like right here. The HR element can be used to separate content as well. So as you can see, the HR tag is right over here, and here's the line. Now let's talk about HTML contents. My bad, comments. Comments can be inserted into HTML code to make it more readable and understandable. Comments are ignored by the browser and are not displayed. And comments are written like this: angle bracket, exclamation point, dash dash, whatever you want, and then dash dash, end of angle bracket. So this is useful when suppose you're editing something and then you want to hand it off to another person um, who is contributing to that piece of code. You can add comments, so only the source code will display it and not the result. So if you want to say something like don't delete this part or save this part, you can just add it as a comment. And have you ever seen a web page and wondered, like, how did they do that? Like, where did that come from? To find out, all you have to do is right click um, like in the page and select view source or view page source, something like that. Um, and this will open a window containing the HTML code that made up the whole page. That's pretty cool. So if you want to check that out, you can. So HTML tag reference. You'll learn about HTML tags and attributes in the next chapter of tutorials. But for now, let's take a look at this. Uh, the good old HTML tag defines your whole document, and you should be starting off with an HTML document tag when you're coding in HTML. The body defines the document as a body, and then the headings we just talked about, and the HR tag defines the horizontal line if you want to separate content, and then the comment, the angle bracket, exclamation point, dash dash, end of angle bracket. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this lesson. Now let's cover the daily review. So what did we learn? First off, headings range from H1 to H6. H1 defines the most important heading, and H6 defines the least. Use headings for what they are meant to be used for, not for bolding or making a word appear bigger. Horizontal lines can be illustrated with the HR tag, and comments are illustrated with the angle bracket, exclamation point, dash dash, your content, whatever you want, dash dash, and the bingo bracket. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure that you um, go to my website, check it out, interact with Prezi, and like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching, and click the video below to watch my previous video on HTML attributes. That's it, guys. Have a nice day.